According to the World Health Organization, air pollution causes around 7 million deaths each year worldwide. Shockingly, 99% of the world's population now breathes air that exceeds pollution limits. The air around us, once pure and clean, is now filled with harmful gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and tiny particles known as PM 2.5 and PM 10. Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, we have built a working prototype of an industrial chimney that filters particulate matter ranging from PM 2.5 to PM 10 as well as harmful gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide.
This section is called the air filter chamber. Here, we use a polyester membrane with a pore size ranging from 0.2 to 0.5 micrometer. It helps to trap large size pollutant particles and also turns the exhaust gas flow into smooth laminar stream.
The next section is our patent part. In this section, we generate a cluster of mechanical waves by superposing and creating a resultant wave with a wavelength of 0.2 to 10 nanometers. The concept is the airflow coming from the filter chamber enters in this chamber have very small amount of particulate matter, which cannot be separated by any method but can be separated by this method. This is because the wavelength of the wave is very less than the particulate matter.
The next section of our system is electrostatic precipitator. In this part, we use several electrodes that maintain a constant voltage to create potential difference. This potential difference will produce an electrostatic force which will help us to separate the nano-sized carbon particles from the industrial exhaust air. The positively charged particles get attracted towards the negative terminal and the negatively charged particles get attracted towards the positive terminal.
The next section is the spray chamber and the slurry box. We use a limestone and gypsum mixture which is basic in nature. The exhaust gases entering this chamber are already free from the solid particles but still contain some acidic gases. When we spray the basic solution in this chamber, it reacts with these gases and reduce and eliminate the acidic effect. Excessive carbon dioxide gets absorbed in the solution. As a result, a clean and safe air will release in the environment.
We have visited a brick kiln and during our visit we found something surprising. Most of the kilns in India don't use any filters and all the smoke and pollutants are directly released into the air. In India, there are still 1 lakh brick kiln chimneys working and we have calculated the data for one brick kiln chimney. If it works for 1 hour, it dumps 425.78 gram of particulate matter, 570.06 gram of sulfur dioxide, 5853.79 gram of nitrogen dioxide. And for 1 year, if it works completely, it will dump approximately 15 lakh quintals.
This system works just like the kidney dialysis in the humans, where impurities are removed from the blood. In the same way, our system removes harmful pollutants from the air. That's why we have given it the slogan, "Let's dialysis the earth." We are working on the same concept as many national and international organizations working on it. It aims to reduce harmful pollutants from the air and promote sustainable environment like WHO, World Health Organization, UNEP, United Nations Environment Program, NCAP, National Clean Air Program, NAMP, National Air Quality Monitoring Program, Clean Air and Research Program.
Let's dialysis the earth. Thank you.